evening, everyone. I am Manjula with you. Tirukkurungudi Tirumalai Nambi temple flooded due to heavy rains. Devotees were stranded at the Tirukkurungudi Tirumalai Nambi temple in the district due to heavy rains. Tirumalai Nambi temple is located at the foothills of the Western Ghats in Nellai district. The government of Tamil Nadu has given permission to perform darshan in places of worship on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. Devotees have been visiting the temple since yesterday, relying on Tirumala for darshan. Since it was the world's most venomous giant spider, Gil Vision is a famous photographer from Ontario, Canada. Gil Vision is the winner of the Wildlife Photographer Award by the Museum of Natural History in London. While staying in Nabo, Ecuador, he noticed small spiders crawling in his room. He went behind those spiders to find out where these little spiders were going. That's when the shock awaited him. Beneath his room, he found a Brazilian wandering spider, considered one of the deadliest spiders in the world. He decided to photograph the deadly spider before moving it to a safer place. He took a wonderful photo of the largest spider in the spider herd and shared the picture on his Twitter account under the title The Spider Room. The Brazilian wandering spider is considered one of the deadliest spiders in the world. They are also called banana spiders because they are often found on banana leaves. They roam the forest at night in search of food. Their prey ranges from small insects to frogs. Its venom is one that can be life-threatening to humans. Chinese astronauts successfully flew into space. China is setting up its own space research center. Named Tilankang, the space station is expected to be operational by December 2022 with the first phase of work completed. A team of 3 people, including a female astronaut named Wang Yaping, was sent to space on Saturday by the Shenzhou 13 spacecraft to carry out research work at the Chinese space station. The team is scheduled to spend 183 days in space. Earlier, supplies including food, oxygen and equipment were sent to the astronauts last month. Asian Summit, no call for Myanmar military ruler. Other member states have decided not to invite Myanmar military ruler Min Aung Hlaing to the Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit. In that country, the decision was made in protest of the military overthrow of a democratically elected government. The most loved South Korean series in the world, South Korea's Squid Game horror series has topped the list of the world's most loved online series. The horror series Squid Game, produced by Chiran Pictures of South Korea, was released on Netflix on September 17. Netflix has 20.9 crore subscribers worldwide. Of these, 11.1 crore people love the Squid Game series. This makes the series number 1. It is also the most loved web series in the world. So, Squid Game has overtaken various local series in Western countries, including the United States, Britain and France. The series has been well received in Asian countries, including India. Gujarat-based Amul has recently released a cartoon ad for Squid Game. Mumbai police have been raising road safety awareness by posting a video of the Squid Game series on the social media page. Biden seeks redress for mistake in Afghan drone attack that killed 10 innocent people. US troops withdrew from Afghanistan at the end of last August. On August 29, the US military launched a drone strike based on intelligence that militants were fleeing in a car near Kabul airport. In this, 10 people were killed, including 7 children belonging to the family of Ahmadi. The US military has said it will not run in the by-elections. In the meantime, the Pentagon has reported that President Biden's administration is in talks with Afghans to bring the families of the victims of the drone strike to the United States and resettle them and to offer them compensation. Hurricane storm in the Philippines. The north of the Philippines has been hit by heavy rains and floods for the past few days. Landslides have also occurred. Similarly, Hurricane Kombasu hit the island of Luzon. Up to 22 people have so far been affected by the storm, also known as Mering. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council said the number could rise to 39. A total of 1,94,677 people have been affected by this hurricane. The epicenter was reported below the Pacific Ocean floor. However, no tsunami alert was issued. More than 10,000 people have been evacuated in the aftermath of the storm. This is the 13th tropical storm to occur this year. Have a beautiful day. See you again. Thank you.